have you ever been one of those people who's ready to go on vacation? You have the money to go, you have the time off, but you can't find anybody to go with you? I've been through this in the past and I will never do it again. So I have some great news. We are doing a group trip to Thailand and we're going November 3rd through November 12th, and you are invited. So, for those who are new here, my name is Adrienne and my company is Breathless Getaways. And introduce yourself, lovely one.
Hey, besties. My name is Alicia. And yes, I'm one of the travel agents here at Breathless Getaways, helping Adrian plan this awesome trip to where? Thailand.
And so here's the deal. We are visiting 3 different cities in Thailand. We're going to start off in Bangkok. We've got 2 nights in Bangkok, right? We've got 3 nights in Chiang Mai and 3 incredible nights in Phuket. So Alicia, if you want to just share a little bit about like what we're going to experience, what they can experience, and just to let you know, we only have 3 spots left and all you need is $200 down. But Alicia, walk us through what our experience is going to be like.
So let me tell y'all something, bestie. I'm a bougie girl, right? So I love five-star hotels. So first thing first, we are going to be experience five-star
Mhm.
luxury hotels. Of course, we were talking about the service as well as the accommodation, right? Then we are going to be staying in Bangkok, as Adrian mentioned. We're going to be doing the floating market. We're going to be doing temples. We're going to be doing nightlife.
Yep.
And what? Shopping. After that, we are going to be doing a skip and a hop to Chiang Mai to enjoy the more cultural, the food,
Oh.
elephant sanctuary. Do you see the elephant in the back? Yes, we are going to be taking care of these gentle giants. It's going to be amazing. Can I tell you, I never thought I would be able to get that close to an elephant.
Yeah.
Like this is like amazing.
You are
Then of
excited.
courch,
We're gonna bathe them. We're gonna
uh,
feed
we're gonna
them.
we're
Oh,
gonna feed
can't wait.
all the things. It's gonna be actually a whole day type of thing. We're gonna have lunch there, so it's gonna be really good. Of course. By the way, I did not mention this. We are also going to include the domestic flights. So all the flights in Thailand will be covered in your package. All you have to do is get yourself there. Just
Yep.
wanted to mention that. Then, for the final stop, darlings, we will be in the
Little
Phuket.
Phuket.
Baby, let me tell y'all, we all
uh,
about to lose our mind because we're going to
yes.
be what? Island
And hop
hopping.
in.
Big Buddha. We're
Mm-hmm.
gonna be oh, listen, more shopping, more nightlife.
Nightlife.
You about to live your best life. And
Can't
then
wait.
when you leave, you're gonna be like, girl, when we going on another one?
Exactly. So we are gonna be your travel besties. We have everything already planned. The itinerary is planned already. Everything is booked. All you have to do is pack your bags and show up. And of course, you gotta pay for it.
Please do.
Yes, just to let you know, so our rates are excellent, includes almost everything and some meals as well. So rates start at 31.89 and it depends on which room
Um,
category you want to book. Link is below. We have much more details about our trip. We have a trip page with all the details, all the rates, and how to get started and how to get booked. So click on the link in the description box, or you can email alicia@breathlessgetaways.com or Adrienne at breathlessgetaways.com. We'd love to have you join us. If you have any questions at all, shoot us an email. But
please.
the link is below with all the details. And you just need $200 down the book and then you pay as you go. It's flexible.
It's very flexible. Listen, if Thailand is on that list, it is on that list, then baby, this is the year you want to do it
Yeah.
because you get to do it with us. Duh. And we
Duh.
are fun. Like we're so fun. We
Oh,
are
I can't
ready to
wait.
be your new bestie, your new travel crew. And listen, we cannot wait to see you there.
Can't wait to see you. And I forgot to mention, it is co-ed. So men and women are invited. We're going to
So,
get the White Lotus experience without
um,
getting murdered, though.
you know what? I don't think you should mention that part.
If you want White Lotus, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so y'all know what to do. If you have any questions, shoot us an email or you can click on the link below and you'll have all of our contact details. See you in Thailand.
Yay! I can't wait to meet y'all there.